the truck with the coconut, and we are in the Pererenan beach. So many motorbikes, so many people, warungs, everything. Back to a few years ago, like since 2017, even 2018 was only beach here, nothing else. But now it's development here is super fast, and this statue also, and this one, and the beautiful kinda promenade or some sort of like this. But like I said, few years ago that was only beach for the surfers, and the small warung somewhere here with the old lady who was selling the coconuts, and now it's like this. However, yeah, development on this area of Canggu is quite big, because this is Pererenan and it's actually there is Canggu.
Okay.
Yo, what's up? So we are in the
Canggu Pererenan.
Canggu
now.
Pererenan.
So we will go to Tabanan. Actually, yeah, I need to meet the people from the police to update about the reports for the everything. And yeah, we decided just to take a stop, drive from
Sanur to
Tabanan and make a stop here in Canggu for a few minutes. Yeah, nowadays like I heard that many things that happen, especially the crimes is increasing everywhere, even in Renon. I saw also my friend who live in Canggu also said that there were 2 motorbikes were stolen in Canggu. So that's why we decided to stop in the Renon and park there. And then yeah, I also read that in the news in Gianyar also. I think that everywhere happens nowadays because of people lost their job and everything. It's just like the crime is increasing. But yeah, now I and Damian decided just to move on from all the misfortune that we passed so far. So today's in our vlog, now we just want to say that we will give all we will let all the local authorities, police and everything work to solve our problem. So yeah, in this vlog we just want to say that no more sad things, we have to move on. And then I think that only that's the update about our case actually. And then yeah, in this vlog I didn't want to talk about it anymore. In our vlog, this is the last vlog that we will talk about the progress, the sad things and the progress or something. I didn't want to talk about it anymore. Damian and I decided we have to move on.
Exactly as Winnie said, everything is like this. We don't want to talk much sad things anymore on this YouTube, especially in the past few weeks, days actually, not weeks, was so sad. Meanwhile, that's how it looks like. That's the Pererenan, and there are some beautiful cows still. And this is exactly what I was mentioning before, as that's how does it look. This area was like a cows and like a rice field already. No rice fields here, but the cows was here, and there was some restaurants where you sit actually, and the cows was walking next to you, like I walking next to this cow. And by the way, this cow is going to the beach. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, that was actually nice. And this is the river. There are still some local people playing in the water, and here is the brand new bridge also, so you can pass it now. So here will be the construction, I think, or used to be, supposed to be, and there are already party places. And also, if you're gonna go there more, is the La Brisa.
So, alright, this area long time ago is just like a local residence, but nowadays it's moved to change into become villas. And yeah, as you see, many fancy villas behind me there.
Look at this bike and his registration. This is only in Bali like this possible, but the bike is nice for everyone who love bikes, definitely. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So many dogs on the beach, by the way. So many. An FPV drone also flying there. Whoa. Bit windy, but that's how does it look like. Life in Pererenan. And there are already warungs where we was last time on the last vlog. Maybe you are familiar. Yeah, it's quite many people here. They just had now barbecue or something like that. Yeah, barbecue, local kids, surfer people, and here they are some party.
Jeez, so many people in Canggu. So that's the La Brisa, and then that's the warung, and then yeah, and then this is surfing competition. They also have a barbecue party. Drone on the top. Oh my goodness.
That's the FPV drone, very fast.
Okay, so now, honey, let's go to Tabanan. Behind me, there are so many people, so crowded. I don't want to go there. So yeah, let's go then, Tabanan.
We are going home, but Winnie on the way will buy some lumpia. Always good to have some lumpia, right?
She's having a video call still.
It's okay. That's good. Alright, we are now in the
Night market in
Night
Tabanan.
market in
We just
Tabanan.
arrived. So here I need to buy food or something oleh-oleh for my parents.
we'll see, we'll show you around. Alright, that's how does it look like inside. So many things. They have a little bit different than the market in Denpasar city. I never saw like this, I mean for kids. And so many toys, balloons, many nice food. Little bit like a boogie street in the Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. Or maybe, yeah, a little bit because it's so wide. Maybe not really, but yeah. Somehow similar, I could say. So many nice food. I just hope I'm not gonna move too fast with the camera. Many interesting things even for kids here. Clothes, fish. I don't know what is it. It's some sort of thing. Especially a lot of kids here. This is very interesting what they are selling here. I don't know what is it. Looks like this. Hamster. Nice. Clothes, food, toys, many things actually just on the one. This is actually city center of Tabanan. During daytime there are shops on the left and on the right where are like normal businesses, and then during the night time, afternoon, it's like a street food market. I'm still thinking what is it, and Winnie is looking for something. Meanwhile I'm trying to show you how does it look like. Pretty interesting, nice market. Comment below if you ever been in Tabanan, especially in Tabanan city or in this market. Another nice place for kids. It's very big mix here, not like a food only like in other markets, but here is everything, even including delivery and everything. So that's like really different somehow. Sunglasses, food. And here is already a little bit more quieter, and that's how it looks on the main street of the Tabanan. Many people, yo, what's up? People happy to be on the camera. Guys making martabak here. And here we go, Sayang gonna buy martabak.
Keju susu. I want to buy the keju susu.
Dobrze. And meanwhile I'm gonna show you around how does it look like, because there are also some clothes, bags, watch guy. And that's actually clothes and delivery over here. But here food, and Saya buying trambulan martabak with the very big shop.
at how they make it.
Ooh. Looks good. Also, Sayang decided to have a sate ayam, so we will see. Sate ayam with the blower turbine. Higher people eating. And meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit how does it look on the main street in Tabanan. So this is the main street of Tabanan, one way, quite many people actually. And this is old town of Tabanan actually. A little bit like old town in Denpasar, but Tabanan have a quite rich history about the Dutch colony and the wars and everything. So the architecture is also quite little bit different. Not really, but little bit different. Good vibes. Everything in the one spot. By the way, this is how the trampoline is made. There are actually 3 people, 3 stations. There guy have a spring roll, which is for martabak. This is the big bucket. Oh, very nice. Meanwhile, that's how does it look. The busy life in Tabanan. Not many tourists here, but so many local people. And here is another part of the market. It's actually quite big. Tabanan city is actually quite big also itself. It's not so small town.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today. Now it's time to go home. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
See ya, take care.